Welcome back to Ownr Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Ownr research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're taking a quick look at Ownr Wallet, found at https://ownrwallet.com/fr/. This platform presents itself as a solution for managing digital assets, and while the French URL might suggest a focus on the French market, it appears to offer services more broadly. From what I can gather, Ownr Wallet aims to provide a secure environment for storing and potentially transacting with various cryptocurrencies. The website itself seems fairly straightforward, though detailed information on specific features and supported assets isn't readily apparent from the main landing page. This suggests a need for deeper exploration within the platform to fully grasp its functionalities and limitations. Further investigation would be required to understand the security measures implemented by Ownr Wallet, such as the types of encryption used and any custodial or non-custodial arrangements. It's also crucial to consider the fees associated with using the platform, as these can vary significantly between different wallet providers. Another key aspect to consider is the range of cryptocurrencies supported, as some wallets specialize in certain coins or tokens, while others offer a broader selection. User experience is also a vital factor, so looking into reviews and community feedback on the ease of use and overall platform stability would be beneficial. Given the increasing number of digital asset management platforms, it's always wise to conduct thorough research and compare various options before committing to a specific wallet. Understanding the platform's background, security protocols, fee structure, and supported assets will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your individual needs and risk tolerance. It's important to approach any new platform in the crypto space with caution and a healthy dose of skepticism, prioritizing security and transparency when evaluating your choices.